So you guys may have seen me online doing this puzzle course and wondered, what the heck is this, right? What is it for? Why? And I just kind of made it for fun. I've done all kinds of obstacle courses for learning, and after you do them for a while, you kind of memorize them, so you kind of want to think on your feet. And that's kind of the spirit behind this puzzle course. I got a couple versions out there with different variations of the same obstacles, just to make it more interesting. These are available at my Stan store, and if you stay tuned to the end, I'll give you a coupon code to get half off. Let's start walking through this and see what we can find out. Also, keep in mind, it's been a while since I've done these, so if I'm rusty, I apologize. There's no one right way to do these. So however you want to do it is fine. If you could do it faster than me, go for it. If you want to tell me what time you got and it blows mine out of the water, I'm fine with that too. First, we have what I call the gold pyramid. The reason it's a pyramid is because it's kind of like looking down on a pyramid. It's obviously a square. So if you notice here, we have red empty cells and we have X's in the golden ones. And the purpose is just to delete all the red and just leave the gold. Or not. It says here you can either leave. I'm the one who wrote the rules. I don't know why I'm forgetting them, but you can delete them or put them off to the side either way. But I believe the easiest way to do this one is get in the middle, go Control A. Well, no, that chooses everything. Another option is to hold down Shift and use arrow. Shift page down, Shift Alt page down. And don't kill me for using the mouse, but I'm going to show you what that highlighted. It's kind of a page over and page down. So from here, I can go Control G for go to. And there's an S underlined here for special. I'm going to hit S. I'm going to hit Alt S. Told you it's been a while. And then I'm going to hit a K for blanks, because I want to go to all the blanks that I have highlighted. And a funny thing happens, when I hit OK, when I just tap enter, it actually zeroes in on the blanks that are around the cells with something in it. I don't know why the logic is that way. It's okay with me because it solves this puzzle, right? From here we can do a Control minus sign to delete cells and shift them left. Once we have that, we can use our handy dandy highlight and Control spacebar shift arrow to highlight that. Control G, Alt S, K, enter, and then Control minus, it's been a while. Control minus sign, and then hit down arrow to shift cells up. There we go, we've solved this puzzle. And just to go through it another way is, you can just kind of work on your highlight and delete. Another option. Here we have to create the design below by copying the diamond from G4. Now this is a web ding, I believe, or wing ding. That's the letter U. So if I paste it outside, if I paste values outside, I get a U. In case you see U's flying around there. So and then you need to join the bars together. So what I'm gonna do is actually copy this. Hold down Shift, go over one, Control Shift V to paste special values, copy, arrow over, do Control Shift V a bunch of times. And you might have seen me do this other ways when I was trying to get under a minute or something like that. I don't think it's going to be very fun for me to show you the world record breaking way to do this. I think it's more fun if you practice on your own, come up with your own method. Just try to beat me. So from here, a couple methods. Again, when we want to highlight blanks only, we can do Control G, Alt S for special, K, hit enter, and then Control minus sign, shift them left, and we've joined them all together. For this puzzle, we want to delete the gold cells and arrange the blue cells as seen below. And the address of the cells doesn't matter, which means it doesn't matter if they're in B3 to G12 or A1, it doesn't matter, right? So a couple ways to do this. We can move these over to the right or these over to the left and implement F4 to repeat it. So I'm going to do this first. Control minus sign, shift left, F4, F4, using the arrows to move. And we can do our little delete, highlight and delete, and there we go. This one is asking us to delete the green cells and stack the gold cells as shown. This is the letter L for WebDings, this icon. So a couple ways we can do that. This is the long way, obviously. More of that. I think a better way, though, is to highlight all our blanks. So Control A, Control G, Alt S, K, Enter. Shift them all left, and there we go. And it, this is a dark gold, this is a light gold, so we want to sort these. Obviously we can just do like this. Which, takes a long time. You might find that some of these obstacles come up in real life. I know that you're not going to find one exactly like this, or stacking gold bars or anything, But, it gets you a little more agile with Excel. And there we go. Now, one way I prefer is to just do like an AB. A for dark. And it's showing up as WebDings. Apologize. It doesn't matter. Just it could be 1, 2 for all I care. A, B, all the way down, right? And then we do Alt A, S, A. And look, it grouped everything together. It grouped the 1s and the 2s, the A's and the B's. So for there, makes it a little bit easier. This one I call pipes. The object is just to get the these stacked vertically and these stacked horizontally. These can be a real pain when you're starting out. That's one way to get the vertical. So there you go. It doesn't matter if they're touching or not. It's just to group those like shapes and colors. And then we've reached the end. So tell me what you think in the comments about this puzzle obstacle course. I'd love to see people's times and their impressions of it. If you want to go to my Stan store and buy this first puzzle, I'll make it 50% off. So I'll put the code down in the description while it's applicable. And then have at it. Go ahead and download and tell me how you like it. Thank you.